Hi, I wanted to record a quick video and see how things are moving. Anyways, so I just wanted to share with you guys things that I actually recommend, things that are actually cool. The first thing is this air blower. Very, very useful. Again, extremely useful. At least for me, it's replacing the all air duster cans. Probably air duster cans, they still do have a value and usability, especially if brand new air cans do have more power compared to an electric air duster. But for overall use and for at least just for cleaning your laptop, your keyboard, your computer, the electric version is it's the best. Obviously, you can recharge it in half an hour or an hour and have um, more usability compared to a regular can. The second thing that I wanted to share with you guys is this USB cable checker. Extremely cool, extremely useful. How it works. So on this side, you have the USB-A female connectors, and you also have a USB-C female connector. So I'm gonna use this cable as an example. This is a small USB-A to USB-C cable. So I'm gonna just connect the cable here and plug the other end on the USB side. And the result is that we have a very cool looking LEDs that are showing. So let me just use my pen for pointing things out. It's showing us which pins from the USB or from the USB connector are used. So for example, here we can actually see that we have the data lines that are connected. Just a little bit here, data lines, and we have power. And that's pretty much it. So in this case, this cable, it's a simple USB 2.0 speed USB-C cable. Again, I can easily identify cheap cables from good cables and to know exactly, for example, if a USB supports a fast speed or if it's a very cheap or extremely cheap just power USB cable. The other things that are cool about this USB cable checker is that it supports different cables. So for example, here we have USB-A's for connecting USB-C's, but we also have micro USB, mini USB, lightning cable, USB-B, obviously USB-A. So a lot of options. Again, extremely cool, extremely useful. The other thing that I wanted to share, things that are extremely cool, at least for me, is that I bought CDs for burning music. And at least this brand, Verbatim, they mimic vinyl records. So I'm planning to just to burn my mixes, just the music that I like, from FLAC or lossless audio to CD, and just play those CDs on my CD player. Again, this is a novelty thing. Again, we usually have other things that can play music, but I just want to revive this era, and when you had to actually choose the music and you just create your own mix and burn the CD. Again, extremely cool. I'm extremely happy for that. And that's it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.